Hi everybody, so welcome to Google Spaces. It's a new collaborative tool. It's a small group sharing for everything in life, and it comes in an Android and iOS uh, uh, format in terms of mobile. So what I'm going to do is give a really quick tour, but to focus in on why I think it could work and how it could, say, apply to the small business and political space or spaces. Create a space instantly, and we'll see exactly how to create it. And what they say is comic books, tiny homes, parish trips, study groups, etc. And one tap, make a space about a topic. And so invite friends in a snap. So you can make a space and you can invite people. Who would you invite? It could be people from Google Plus, Twitter, Facebook, email, message, link on different sites, YouTube, and so on. Share all the things. Again, if you do a search and you find content that you want, you can add that to your spaces. I gotta tell you that so far I haven't figured out how to do that. I've tried and I'm sure I'll figure it out, but not yet. Conversations stay on topic. So you get to see the content everybody's talking about in a format that you might find to be helpful. And you can search your different spaces. And so that's the information that Google provides in trying to showcase its Google Spaces. So I've created one Google Spaces. I think that's how we would call it instead of space. And I just wanted to test drive it. So this is brand new. I haven't promoted it really. Does Google Spaces have a future? That's the question I ask, and that is what the Spaces is about. And quickly, I went ahead and I created um, this picture, give a space picture of some form of some dimension. I can um, so let me just go down here and show you that. So here's a card. So here's some questions I currently have, and perhaps you can add to the list. So how I did that is basically what you do is if you want to say something interesting in a space, you can go ahead and say it. The first thing you can do is you can add a link. And so let's just say that I happen to add my website, byubuzz.com, and I'm going to hit add. And then I just might say, this is my website, which I hope to learn how to link with Google Spaces. So I can change the picture right here if I choose to do so, and I can post it like this. I can put other pictures. I can put other content, etc. So let's just go ahead and post this. So let's say I want to promote this particular space. So what I just do is I can go ahead and invite, click on invite, and I can copy the link and put it whatever. I can email the link. I can post it on Facebook. If I copy the link, again, I could put it on a website, my Google Plus page, or Google Collections, and so on. I can put it in YouTube, a whole variety, so many different ways to use it. The question is, how can you use it in the business world? How can you use it in the political space? In the business world, certainly I believe that very similar to what I just did, let's just say that I was selling, let's say that I'm selling widgets and I want, it's a new product of widgets that I want to sell. And it could be my new widgets here and show pictures of the widgets and have people talk about those, say, the new products. I can post pictures, as I mentioned. I can write a post about it just by clicking here, write a post about it. It wouldn't add pictures and links to it. So, this is a way that I can do it. And then if I want to, for example, I can go to, say, Google, and I can add it to my Google Plus page by just putting the link here to that particular spaces, write about it, and send it out on Google Plus. In addition to that, um, I'm assuming that, although I haven't seen it yet, but let's just say that I want to take this particular um, Google Plus post, uh, and let's say I wanted to include that in my spaces. Well, it doesn't provide me that opportunity, but certainly I can copy the link, and then go back to Spaces. And so if you're using Google Plus for business purposes, that's certainly the way that you can do it. In terms of Google Collections or communities, uh, first of all, collections. So let's just say that, for example, here's the collections that I am doing. Let's just say that this one here, dealing with Louisiana Legislature 2016. Well, I can here's content that I've put up on Google Plus related to that legislative session. And so I certainly could, if I want to, put up content from here, copy the link, and again go back and post it. So to Spaces. So these are the different ways that you can use it for business, also for politics. The question is whether or not it's so unique that it will drive people to use it. Some believe that if they were to include other products, Google products, to it, that it would be more successful. But it's early on. Let's see. And like to get your thoughts, of course.